Look at you, bro.
We're in the fucking zone, bro. I'm in paradise right now. Look at this world.
The problem is, when are we in paradise, Bobby?
Living the life. Nobody's living the life as high as us. Look at this, 3 vistas. Mountain, river, crag. Literally the aggro crag is right there. Has this been going on?
Got an iPhone 5. Where is it? Yeah.
Nope, waiting on you.
I'm not actually, but I am. Tony's cooking dogs. Just a little hot. A little hot for hot links, Tony. Look at these bad boys. Hurting. Oh, yeah, I told you. I told you. I told you. What's next, Tony? The top left? Right up there. I told you. I told you. I told you. They're spewing guts, Tony. Oh, here they go.